Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am your host, Leo, and today we have a very delicious topic. Please welcome my wonderful friend, Anna.
Hi, Leo, and hello to all our listeners. I am very hungry today, so I am happy we are talking about food.
Me too, Anna. But before we start, I have a question for you. Imagine this. You are in a foreign country, maybe France or Italy or the USA. You are very, very hungry, but you don't know how to speak the language well. What is your biggest fear?
Oh, that is a scary question. My biggest fear? I think ordering the wrong food. Imagine ordering chicken but getting spicy frog legs. That would be a disaster.
That is a funny image, but it is a real problem. Many students are afraid of speaking in a restaurant. They are afraid of the waiter. They are afraid of the menu.
Yes, restaurants are fast and usually noisy, so it is hard to hear.
Exactly. So today we're going to help you. We will learn common phrases for restaurants. We will go step by step, from walking in the door to paying the bill.
We have a lot of phrases to cover. Are you ready to eat, Leo? Are you ready to learn?
I am ready. Let's start with step 1, making a reservation. Okay, Anna. Sometimes popular restaurants are very busy. You need to call before you go. This is called making a reservation. Let's role play. I will be the restaurant manager. You are the customer calling on the phone. Ring, ring.
Hello? I would like to make a reservation, please.
Okay. For which day?
For this Saturday. Or I can say, for tonight.
And for how many people?
A table for 2, please. Or maybe a table for 4.
Okay. What time would you like?
At 7 p.m., please.
Great. Can I get your name?
Yes, it's under the name Anna.
Perfect. So, listeners, those are the key phrases. I would like to make a reservation, a table for 2, under the name. Anna, is that difficult?
No, it is simple. Just remember day, time, number of people.
Okay. Now, let's imagine we are at the restaurant. We walk in the door. The waiter sees us. What do we say if we don't have a reservation?
We can ask, do you have any free tables?
Correct. Or simpler, a table for 2, please.
What if I want to sit in a specific place? For example, I love the sun. Can I ask for a window seat?
Yes, of course. You can say, can we sit by the window? Or can we sit outside?
And if it's noisy?
You say, can we sit in a quiet corner?
That is useful. But Leo, sometimes the restaurant is full. What does the waiter say?
The waiter might say, there's a wait, or the wait is about 15 minutes. You have to wait. It's a bummer, but the food might be good. Okay. We're sitting down. The waiter gives us the menu. The first thing they ask is about drinks. Anna, act like the waiter.
Okay, I am the waiter now. Can I get you something to drink?
I can say, I'll have a Coke, please. Or simply, just water for me, please.
If you order water, I will ask, sparkling or still?
Good question. Sparkling means water with bubbles. Still means normal water. I prefer still water.
Okay, and if you need more time, maybe the menu is very long.
I can say, we are not ready yet. Or, can we have a few minutes?
That is very polite. Can we have a few minutes?
Now, the important part, the food. Listeners, pay attention. There are many ways to order food. You don't just say, I want chicken. That's a little rude.
Yes, we want to be polite. We use phrases like, I would like the chicken, Or, I'll have the salad.
I'll have is very common. It's short for I will have. I'll have the soup. I'll have the steak.
Leo, what if I don't know what to eat? Can I ask the waiter for help?
Yes, this is a great conversation starter. You can ask, what do you recommend? Or, what is the special today?
The special is usually a dish only for that day. It is often very fresh.
Now, Anna, I have a problem. I cannot eat peanuts. If I eat peanuts, I get sick. What should I say?
This is very important vocabulary. You must say, I am allergic to peanuts. I am allergic to seafood. I am allergic to dairy.
Please remember this phrase if you have allergies. It can save your life. One more thing. If I order a steak, the waiter will ask, how would you like your steak?
You have 3 main choices: rare, medium, well done.
I like my steak medium. What about you, Anna?
I like mine well done. I don't like red meat.
To each their own. So, the food arrives. The waiter puts the plates on the table. They usually say, enjoy your meal.
And we say, thank you.
But sometimes there's a problem. Maybe the soup is cold, or maybe I ordered chicken but I got fish.
Oh no.
We have to complain, but we must be polite. Don't be angry. Anna, how do we start?
Start with excuse me. Raise your hand and say, excuse me.
Then explain simply, this is not what I ordered, or this is cold, or I think there's a mistake.
And if you need something extra, like a fork or a napkin,
You can say, could we get some napkins? Could I get another fork? Could we have some extra sauce?
could I get something is a magic phrase. It works for everything.
We finished eating. Our bellies are full. The food was delicious. Now, the sad part. We have to pay.
Yes, make eye contact with the waiter and say, check, please, or can we have the bill?
In America, they say check. In the UK, they say bill. Both are okay.
Leo, I forgot my cash. I only have a card. What do I ask?
You ask, do you accept credit cards? Or can I pay by card?
And sometimes we want to pay separately. You pay for your pizza, I pay for my salad.
We say, can we split the bill? Split means divide.
Wait, Leo, if we are on a date, who pays?
If it's a date, maybe I'll pay. I'll say, it's on me.
Wow, what a gentleman.
And finally, don't forget the tip. If you pay with cash and don't want the coins back, you can say, keep the change.
That means the waiter keeps the extra money.
Wow, Anna, we covered so many phrases. Let's do a rapid-fire review. I say the situation, you say the phrase. Are you ready?
I am ready, let's go.
Situation 1. You want to book a table for Saturday.
I'd like to make a reservation for Saturday.
Situation 2. You want water with no bubbles.
Still water, please.
Situation 3. You don't know what to eat.
What do you recommend?
Situation 4. You cannot eat milk or cheese.
I am allergic to dairy.
Situation 5. The food is cold.
Excuse me, this is cold.
Situation 6. You want to pay.
Check, please.
Situation 7. You want to pay for everyone.
It's on me.
Excellent job, Anna, and excellent job to our listeners. You now have a full menu of English phrases. You can survive in any restaurant.
Yes, don't be afraid. Waiters are usually friendly. They want to help you. If you forget a phrase, just smile and point at the menu.
That is good advice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these phrases this week, even if you're just talking to yourself in the mirror.
Next week, we will talk about shopping, so stay tuned.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. I am Leo.
And I am Anna.
Goodbye.
See you later.